everyone. My name is Johnnisha McCleod, and I work for Nebraska Extension in the Nutrition Education Program. And today we're going to be doing a little video presentation on MyPlate. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys, and then we'll get started. Alrighty here. Get started in just a moment. All right, again, my name is Johnnisha McCleod, and I work with Nebraska Extension in the Nutrition Education Program as an extension assistant. But first, we're going to go ahead and get started with a video from the U.S. Department of Agriculture.
Eating healthy is important. The foods and drinks you choose for meals and snacks can help you be healthier now and in the future. And it's more than eating one healthy meal or one healthy snack. Your food choices add up and they all matter. So where to start? First, choose foods from all 5 food groups throughout the day and throughout the week. Fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. Your fruits and vegetables can be fresh, frozen, dried, or canned. Try roasting or steaming them as a helpful option. Try starting your day with whole grains, like oatmeal or whole grain cereal. For extra flavor and crunch, add your favorite fruit or a handful of nuts. Stuck in the same old routine? Mix up your protein foods. Try seafood twice a week. And enjoy milk and yogurt in recipes or on their own. Read labels and ingredient lists to compare foods and choose healthier options. Across all of your choices, drink and eat less sodium, saturated fat, and added sugars. And hey, we know it's not always on a plate. It's about making shifts no matter where you are. Start with small changes to make healthier choices you can enjoy. Small changes add up to big wins. For more information, visit choosemyplate.gov.
Again, if you'd like more information, you can go to choosemyplate.gov. All right, so first, why is MyPlate important? MyPlate is a visual guide that helps remind us of how our plate should look when there is a well-balanced diet. So there are 5 sections in MyPlate. There are fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. In just a few moments here, I'm gonna go through each of those individually. But first, we're gonna do a little activity where we get up and move for about 30 seconds. So if you're team apple, then you can try 30 seconds of jumping jacks. And if you're team orange, then you can try 30 seconds of jogging. And I will have some music here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started now. So, all right, guys, let's do it. I'm team orange, so I'm jogging. All right, guys, we got this. Just a few more seconds, all right? Woo. Make sure you're moving. All right, good job, everybody. That was awesome. Okay. All right, first, we're gonna talk about fruits. Now, fruits are amazing foods. There are tons of fruits out there. There's strawberries, grapes, bananas, oranges, avocados, all kinds of stuff out there. They have tons of vitamins and minerals that our bodies need. So therefore, let's go ahead and add some fruits to your diet. The average person should have about 1 to 2 cups of fruits every day. However, that varies based on your age, your gender, and your level of physical activity. Next, talk about vegetables. Vegetables are so important, everybody. They have tons of nutrients in there. You definitely need vegetables in your diet. And whenever you can, why don't you try a new vegetable? Maybe even a new vegetable recipe. We have bell pepper nachos on our website, and they are awesome. So if you'd like to try something new, maybe try something like that. Vegetables are awesome, and and it's super important to incorporate that in your diet. The average person should have about 1 to 3 cups of vegetables every single day. However, again, that varies based on your age, your gender, and your level of physical activity. Next, we're going to talk about grains. Grains are great foods. They come from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, and try to make, and if you can, try to make at least half of your grains 100% whole grain, such as brown rice, 100% whole wheat bread as well. And as you can see, there's tons of grain products out there. There are bagels, bread, pretzels, tortillas, all that kind of stuff. And remember, whole grains provide our bodies with fiber, energy, and vitamins and minerals. Next, we have proteins. All right, love my proteins. Proteins are made from fish, beans, eggs, meats, nuts, all kinds of stuff out there. And proteins are important because they help with building muscles and digestion and other things as well. And as you can see from the photo, there are eggs, almonds, all kinds of proteins out there. And whenever possible, maybe try to stick to leaner proteins, such as either turkey or beans and things of that nature. Next is, last but not least, we have dairy. Dairy foods include things like milk, cheese, yogurt. As you can see from the photo, there's tons of dairy products out there. Dairy foods provide us with calcium, and calcium helps us with our teeth and our bones. And the average person should have about 2 to 3 cups of dairy products every day. However, that does vary based on your age. All right, now, we're gonna do another little activity where we get up and move for at least about 30 seconds, okay? All right, so if you're team potatoes, then try hopping on each leg for about 15 seconds. And if you're team corn, like me, then try doing arm circles for about 30 seconds. Remember, again, I'm gonna have some music, so let's start now. Remember to breathe when you're doing these, guys. Keep it up, keep it up. Do it. You want, you can get a little dance in there too. A few more seconds. All right, good job, everybody. That was awesome. Okay. All right, now we're gonna end with making a healthy and tasty meal. All right, this is the black bean and broccoli quesadilla. All right. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you would like more information of our recipes or just information in general, you can go ahead and check out our website at food.unl.edu. If you would like to contact me directly, my email address is jmccleod2@unl.edu. And also like us on Facebook. A link to our Facebook page is right here. It's www.facebook.com/UNL Nutrition Education Program. Thank you so much for joining me today, everybody. Bye, everyone. Thank you again.